Welcome to Heavy Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can buy and sell Bitcoin in South Africa and make passive income. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account using Luno app, right? So you're just going to go ahead on wallets right here and click get started, and the link to this app is going to be in the description below, right? So you're just going to go ahead and put your email right there and password and click let's go, or you can use Facebook or continue with Google, right? So I already have an account on Luno, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in right now.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
So once you sign up, you're gonna see a dashboard like this, and you're gonna have a Bitcoin wallet already created for you, and your account is gonna be empty. So I funded 1,000 in this account for this video, right? But for you to deposit money in your account, you're gonna need to verify your account, and that just means putting your phone number and verify your documents like ID or passport, right? You're simply gonna go to your profile right here and click settings and verify your documents, right? Gonna click right here. Then after you verify your account, you can be able to deposit and buy and sell Bitcoin using Luno wallet. Okay, so my account is already verified, so I cannot verify again, but for you, you're gonna need to verify your account. So once you deposit money in your account, the money is gonna appear in your ZAR wallet right here, right? So I funded this amount just to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin and sell using Luno, but yours is gonna be empty. So for you to deposit money in your ZAR wallet, which is South African rand, you're gonna need to go ahead and click ZAR right here. All right, and you're gonna see these two options, right? Deposit and withdraw. So we're gonna go ahead and click deposit. So you're gonna see these two options right here. How would you like to add money to your Luno wallet? Okay, so there is instant EFT with PayU or bank transfer. So I prefer to use bank transfer because it's fast and does not take too much time for money to reflect in your account. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click bank transfer, and right here you're gonna have to put the amount that you would like to deposit in your account. So you can say 1,000 or 500, whatever it is. Okay, so once you put the amount, you're gonna go ahead and click next, and they're gonna give you a unique reference code that you're gonna have to put when you're depositing the money in your account. So your reference code is gonna be different from mine because each and every account has its unique reference code. Okay, so if you use my code, you're gonna deposit in my account, but then you have to use your reference code because Luno is gonna provide you with a new reference code. Okay, and you have to deposit from your own bank account, no cash deposits. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and click I understand and got it. So you're gonna see a reference code like this, and right here it says use this reference code every time you make a deposit. Okay, so your account is gonna have its own reference code, so you're just gonna go ahead and copy it and make deposits to Luno, right? And here you're provided with banking details that you have to put. Okay, so you're just gonna use these banking details and make deposit to these banking details. Okay, so I prefer you to use FNB accounts because I know that they have FNB accounts, so it's not gonna take too much time for money to reflect in your account. Okay, so use FNB. So once you have done that, you're just gonna go ahead and click I've made a deposit right here. Okay, and you're gonna see a page like this saying thanks, we are waiting for your bank, and this usually takes 2 to 3 business days, but now it doesn't really take that much time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back right now and show you how exactly you can buy and sell Bitcoin using Luno wallet and make passive income. Then once the money reflects in your account, you're gonna receive a message saying hi, you have received your deposit, and the money is gonna appear on your ZAR wallet right here. So right now we have 1,000 rand in our wallet, and you wanna buy Bitcoin using South African rand. So we have two options to buy Bitcoin. All right, first option, we can go ahead and click right here buy, and right here it says choose crypto. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click Bitcoin, and right here is asking how would you like to buy Bitcoin. You can choose whether once off or repeat buy. This means that you can set up an order to buy Bitcoin monthly, weekly, or daily, right? If you click once off, you're only gonna purchase once off. Okay, so right here is asking how would you like to pay for your Bitcoin. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click ZAR because we have 1,000 rand in our wallet. Okay, and right here it's gonna ask you how much Bitcoin do you wanna buy. So let's say 1,000. okay, and you're gonna receive 0.002782 worth of Bitcoin, right? Then you're gonna go ahead and click next, and right here is gonna show you transaction details and how much Bitcoin you're gonna receive. So just gonna go ahead and click confirm, okay. So I don't want you to use this way because you're gonna pay 2% fee because you are taking from the market. You are not a maker of the markets, right? So right now I'm going to show you a safe way of how exactly you can buy and sell Bitcoin using Luno without paying fees. So just gonna go ahead and to your dashboard. So all you need to do is to go to home button right here, and you're gonna see these two buttons, buy and sell button, right? And this is a chart provided by Luno, which means this is the price of Bitcoin on Luno, okay? So right here, this is order book, and on green section, these are buyers, and on the red section, these are sellers. So as you can see right there, the price of Bitcoin is 359,000 Rand, right? So if you set an order saying that, well, I want to buy Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin hits 350,000, and that order is going to appear right here on green section, meaning that you are a buyer of you are a buyer of a Bitcoin, right? And your order is going to appear right there on green section. And if someone want to sell Bitcoin and say that, well, I want to sell Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin hits 360,000, well, then therefore they're gonna be a seller and their order is gonna appear on red section, right? So we have buyers from the highest price to the lowest price. You can see that this number is decreasing, right? It's decreasing because these are buyers. They wanna buy Bitcoin at a lower price. And right here on red section, we have sellers from lowest points to highest points, right? Meaning that these people want to sell their Bitcoin at higher price. So you can see that the first order is 360,498, and if I scroll down, you can see that this number is gonna be increasing. The price is gonna be increasing. The price is gonna be increasing because these people want to sell their Bitcoin at higher price. All right. So this is what the order book is all about. So basically, this is just an order book that shows you where the buyers and sellers are sitting at, right? And right here is a history of trades that took place, and you can see that people were buying and selling, right? These green trades are buyers and these red trades are sellers, okay? So you can see the date and time right there, and the amount of Bitcoin that they bought and the price, right? So this is just history of trades that took place. And if you click on my trades, it's going to show you the history of your trades, right? So yeah, this is a new account. I just funded this amount to show you guys, so there's no any trades right here. So you can see that within 24 hours right here, almost 282 Bitcoins were traded on Luno, right? So here it shows you all the history and all the trades that took place on Luno. And right here is going to show you your orders. So I don't have any open order right now. I'm going to buy, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click this button right here, this green button, buy, because I have 1,000 Rand in my wallet, right? And it's in ZAR, South African Rand. So for you to buy Bitcoin without paying fees, you're going to need to click this tab right here, limits, right? You're going to need to buy Bitcoin using limit tab right here, because if you click on market, you're going to be a take of the market and you're gonna pay 2% fee. All right, so and your order is gonna get through immediately, so you don't need to pay 2% fee, because unless if you're in hurry and you don't want to wait, right? You can use the market order and buy Bitcoin and your order is gonna get through immediately. But if you use limits, meaning that you're gonna set your own price and you're gonna wait for market to hit that specific price, and your order is gonna be executed. All right, so right now let's say I want to buy Bitcoin and the price of Bitcoin is 360,000 and 378 Rand, okay? And right there on red you can see that it's written asks are 360,000 and 692, and those are sellers, right? So if I want to sell, I would make sure that my price should be above that number, and if I want to buy, I would make sure that my price should be below 360,000 and 77 Rand, because that's the current price. All right, so if I scroll down right here, you can see that in my ZAR wallet I have 1,200 Rand, right? Meaning that this is my available balance on my ZAR wallet, and I can spend this money to buy Bitcoin, okay? So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the price of Bitcoin that I wanna buy it, right? And you can see that the current price is 359,946. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my price below that number, okay? So I'm gonna say 359,000. Okay, so meaning that if the price hits 359,000, my order is gonna get executed. And if I wanna spend all my money right here, I can just click right here, max, and I'm gonna spend all my ZAR and buy Bitcoin with it, right? So right now I only wanna spend 1,000. So I'm just gonna put right here 1,000. Okay, and click buy. And right there is written mission success, meaning that I've placed my order, and when the price of Bitcoin hits 359,000, right here my order is gonna get through. So right here under my orders, you can see that I have open orders, order history, and summary, right? This is summary of my trades. So if I go on open orders, we're gonna see that order that I've just created, and this is the time that this order was created, and the type of order, it was limit, because I set my own price and I didn't want to pay fees. I didn't use market, that's why it's written limits right here. And this is the price in South African rand that I bought it, right? I bought this amount of Bitcoin at this price. Right now I'm just waiting for it to get filled in order book, and it's going to be executed. And if this order gets through, I'm going to have some Bitcoin in my wallet. So right now I want to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin immediately using markets. So I'm just going to click this button right here, buy, and I'm going to go to markets right here. So under markets, it's just going to give me the best available price. Okay, so all I need to do is to put the amount of ZAR that I want to spend to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so let's say I want to spend 1,000 to buy Bitcoin. All right, and I'm gonna get 0.002 worth of Bitcoin and etc. So all I need to do is to click this button right here, buy Bitcoin. So just gonna ask me for my code, and mission successful. And if I go back to my wallet and check, I'm gonna see that Bitcoin. All right, and right here on my Bitcoin wallet, you can see that I have 0.002 worth of Bitcoin, and this is 998 rand. Remember, I spent 1,000 rand to buy Bitcoin, and they took 2%, right? That's why the amount has decreased right here. And right now, I'm just gonna show you how exactly you can sell this Bitcoin right here to South African rand. So how exactly can you make money here, because you have just spent 1,000 rand and you have Bitcoin in your wallet? Well, it is very simple. If I click this button right here, you can see this chart, right? And remember, I bought Bitcoin at 359,000 rand, okay? And if I want to make profit, then I should sell above 359,000 rand, meaning that I can actually sell at 360,000 or 365,000 in profits, right? That's how exactly we make money. So if I click on this chart, it's going to show me the price of Bitcoin. So you can see that Bitcoin was being traded at this price on this specific time and date right here, right? So I bought Bitcoin at 359,000 rand, right? So for me to make profit, I should sell about 359,000 rand, meaning that I can sell at 364,000 rand or 370,000 rand, so that I can make some profits, right? I should not sell below 359,000. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can set a sell order so that you can make profits when buying and selling Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click back right here and click this button, red button, right? Sell. So under sell tab, you can see that I still have those options, limits and markets, right? So if I click on limits, meaning that I'm gonna have to put my own price and I'm not gonna charge fee. And if I click on market right here, meaning that I'm just gonna get the best available price, then put the amount of Bitcoin that I wanna sell, and I'm gonna get ZAR, which is South African rand, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and click limit and put the price that I want to sell at, and I would make sure that I put my price above 359,000 because I want to sell in profits. Okay, so I can put 360,000 right here, right? 360,000, and here is asking me to put the amount of Bitcoin that I want to spend for my South African rand. So I'm just gonna click max, and I'm gonna spend the amount of Bitcoin that I have in my wallet for South African rand. So in this case, I'm gonna receive 990 rand. Okay, so I'm just gonna click max and click sell right here. Okay, and it's gonna ask me to put my pin, same thing, and mission done. Okay, and if I go on my orders, we're gonna see that order right here, 0.002 worth of Bitcoin were sold at this price, right, 360,000. Okay, and if I go on my wallet, and my Bitcoin is gonna disappear on my Bitcoin wallet, go back to my ZAR wallet, which is South African rand. Okay, so right here on this tab, you can receive any cryptocurrency you want, right? So let's say if someone want to send you some Bitcoin and you want to receive that Bitcoin, you're simply gonna go ahead, click right here Bitcoin wallet, and you're gonna go ahead and click right here where it's written more and click receive right here. And so you're gonna have to create an address by clicking right here, create address. Just put your name right here. Let's say Heavy Crypto, right? Let's say Heavy Crypto, and just gonna go ahead and click create, and the Bitcoin address is gonna be created. Okay, and right here it says make sure you select the correct cryptocurrency, and got it. All right, and right here it's gonna ask me to put the amount of Bitcoin that I want to receive. So in this case, you can leave it blank like this. There's no problem, right? So all you need to do is to copy this address and send it to that person and tell him that you should use this address to send me Bitcoin. Okay, because if you send using this address, the Bitcoin is going to reflect in your account and it's going to appear in your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so let's say you want to send some Bitcoin to someone. All you need to do is to go ahead and click this button right here, send, and right here it's going to ask which cryptocurrency do you want to send. You want to send Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or USDC. So let's say I want to send a Bitcoin right now. So we're just going to go ahead and click Bitcoin right there. And it's going to ask me to put the address of Bitcoin that I want to send to, right? So all I need to do is to put that address right there, right? And click next. And right here it's going to ask me how much do you want to send, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send, and right here I can leave a note and type something or leave a message and stuff like that. Okay, and click next and confirm, and that amount of Bitcoin is gonna disappear in my account and is gonna reflect in that person's account. Okay, so it's simple like this, and it doesn't take time, right? And right here on Explore tab, you can see news and what is happening around the world, right? And if you click on rewards, you can get rewards and stuff like that. If you click on profile, you can be able to change some settings and all that. And if you need help, you can click right here and get help. Like if you have forgotten your passwords or your account got, or you have lost your phone number and stuff like that, you're gonna get any help right here. So if you're new to this channel, well, this is Heavy Crypto. So what we do is we try to find different ways to make money through crypto. So make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel, and you're supporting the channel as well by doing that. Okay, so this is it, how exactly you can buy and sell Bitcoin using Luno app. Just make sure when you want to make a deposit, use your unique reference number, and the link to Luno is going to be in the description below. Just use my link and you're going to get discount in trading fees and receive 50 rand bonus. So my name is Arthur. I'm signing out. Therefore, I'll see you on another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take